In this video, we are going to fix account restricted on Apple Pay. Now, there might be a couple of reasons for your account to be restricted on Apple Pay. The first thing is if your Apple Cash account requires identity verification on your iPhone, just open the Wallet app, then tap your Apple Cash card. On iPad, you can open the Settings app, tap Wallet and Apple Pay, then tap your Apple Cash card. And you can do this on Apple Watch as well by opening the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, tap Wallet and Pay, and tap on your Apple Cash card. Other reasons might be if your Apple Cash account is in review or it is restricted. Your account may be restricted if your identity verification fails multiple times. Your account also may be locked if there is suspected fraud on the account. So, for any additional security checks need to be completed, your account is locked. So just go ahead, check with the Apple Help Center and they will fix this problem. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.